We've all had that moment, a sudden flash of inspiration for an app that could solve a real problem, and then you hit a brick wall. You don't know how to code. For decades, software development was an exclusive field. Building a functional iOS application required years of specialized training to master complex syntax and manage the intricate process of compilation. When large language models arrived, they promised a shortcut by generating code in seconds. But these early tools had a significant limitation. They were restricted to text. Because the AI existed only in a chat window, it couldn't run its code or debug a crash. This created a bottleneck. The user acted as a manual bridge, copying code, pasting it into a development environment, and translating failures back to the AI. Today, that loop is closing. Artificial intelligence is moving from a passive assistant into an active participant capable of operating within the development environment itself. By integrating directly with the tools used to build software, AI can now independently manage the cycle of creation and verification. Anthropic has updated Claude Code Desktop for Mac to interface directly with local development tools. When instructed to build an iOS app, Claude now launches Apple's official iOS simulator. A virtual iPhone appears in a pane next to the code, running the software in real time. Claude acts as an autonomous tester. It watches the live simulator to see exactly how the application behaves as it runs. Based on that visual feedback, the AI can independently tap buttons, swipe through menus, and rewrite its own code to fix any issues it discovers. You can still interact with the simulator yourself. While Claude works on one feature, you can simultaneously test another, keeping you in the loop without forcing you to manage the busy work. This visual connection changes the AI's role from a code generator to a self-correcting engineer. This raises a technical challenge. How does an AI control a digital iPhone without hijacking your entire screen? Most automation tools rely on computer use models, requiring invasive permissions to scrape your entire screen. Claude Code bypasses this. It communicates directly with the iOS simulator engine through a targeted connection, completely avoiding the rest of your operating system. To run this locally, you need a Mac with Xcode installed. Because it relies on the local simulator engine, it cannot operate through the cloud or remote SSH sessions. Anthropic captures screenshots of the simulated device to facilitate this process, so they recommend users avoid signing into real, personal accounts while the AI is in control. This direct engine integration provides a secure environment for high-speed iteration without compromising the user's privacy or control over their desktop. Beyond the technical specs, this shift is changing who can participate in the software economy. We are seeing reports of professionals in fields like the life sciences, people with no computer science background, using these tools to build programs they previously couldn't create. That transition is sparking a change in how people see themselves. On developer forums, users who never wrote a single line of code in their lives are now saying, "I guess I'm a developer now." For decades, the global software industry was strictly defined by the exhaustive manual labor of writing code line by line, character by character. Development is becoming a process of direction. The AI operates as the lead engineer executing the build, while the human acts as the creative visionary setting the goals. The workflow is also highly scalable. You can have Claude run 4 separate simulators at once, managing multiple testing environments simultaneously. When the massive technical barriers to software creation are removed, the only thing that matters is the quality of your ideas. The landscape of software development has been permanently democratized.